Hello and welcome to Mentor MMA channel. In today's video, we'll be speaking about autofill feature of the Excel. Uh, and let's quickly jump in what it is. For example, if you have to write down a list of months like this in an Excel column or row, whatever your use case is, I have listed months. If you have to do that, what we would do, you may say, I will write them 12 times. Yes, that is an option. However, that's not the efficient uh, way to do things. Excel has a very easy option. What you can do is that you can write any two numbers and then ask Excel to create a series out of it. For example, if you write, in this case, if you write January and then February, you can select these two values, and then at the bottom of the last cell, if you hover over your cursor over here, you will see that your cursor will become a plus sign. When it becomes plus sign, press your mouse down and hold and drag until you want that series to be filled. For example, I want it until December, so I did that, and it quickly fills in. And if you want to continue, you can continue to go further. It will start again from January, February, and it will fill until you select your columns. And it's not only that you need to write values in this particular way. If, for example, you want to use short forms for months, you can also do that. You write these two, and then you can drag, and however you want your months to be displayed, you can do that. It's pretty easy. Now, as I said, you may say you can easily type 12 values. Yes, you can if it's about these months. What if you have 1,000 values on a list and you need to serial number those? What would you do? You cannot type 1,000 times numbers. You can use this same series autofill feature from Excel. You type 1, 2, select them, and then you continue dragging until you want to have your values filled in. You leave and your values are immediately filled in. And this doesn't have to be 1, 2, 3 like this straight series. You can also say, let's say 10, 20. If your series is a different one, you can also do that. I do now a difference of 10. And when I drag that, you can see that it has used that particular series to put in values for your Excel sheet. So this is a very, very strong Excel feature that no matter if you are a basic Excel user or an advanced one, you would always make use of this feature. If you like our content, please do subscribe our channel so that you can get future videos, and send us any questions. If you want to learn about anything, please share that in the comment section. Thank you very much.